SwissQprint UK is a sales and servicing organization where we look after our existing installation base here in the UK, but also selling to new customers. So we have a broad range of customers and users here in the UK, stretching from small owner-operated businesses within the art reproduction market, within the sign and graphics and display market, all the way up into larger commercial printers. So we work with businesses like Linny's and MediaCo, VGL and Stylo Graphics, but then we work with businesses like Oasis Graphics, Colorsonic in London, who are highly creative companies who use our products. The print show attracts a great mix of visitors from our industry, right across the spectrum from commercial print all the way up into our market traditionally, which is large format. And that's one of the key reasons why we wanted to exhibit. We wanted to have a platform where we could introduce our technology to the broadest possible audience, and that's what the print show is going to bring to us. These local shows are also incredibly important for us because whilst we're a global organization selling in over 40 countries around the world, we operate locally. So we want to be in touch with our local customers and have those conversations, sharing ideas on how they can improve their businesses using our technology. So the print show brings together a wide range of businesses from both the commercial sector, but then also from the large format sector. And we're seeing commercial printers or packaging companies interested in our technology because it's a way for them to produce new products for new markets using equipment that's industrial and capable of producing at high volume. The large format businesses love and know our equipment already, and for many it's an aspirational purchase. They would have grown their businesses with other technologies, but they've come to a point where they need improved productivity, improved reliability, and that's what we can bring to there. At the print show this year, we're going to be introducing people to the Kudu. This will be the first time in the UK that we're bringing the Kudu, our new high-end large format flatbed printer, to the UK show. So we're going to be introducing them to that, to the great capabilities of that machine, but we're also going to be introducing them to a series of applications and other innovations that they can use. And really trying to help our customers and new prospects understand what our technology can do to enhance the value-added products they produce, increase their efficiencies that they operate in, and their productivity ultimately. At the show this year, we'll also be showcasing a wide range of different applications. So we'll be printing with roll-to-roll on our flatbed system. We'll also be showing off our neon inks, as well as our relief printing, and a wide range of other specialty applications. We will also be introducing people to the new 36-month warranty, which we launched recently. And this is a new standard within warranties in our class of print systems. So a full 36-month warranty, which covers all parts as well as printheads on the machine. And this again stands in line with the supported reliability that we as a business provide to our customers. A key trend that we're seeing and a key question that we have from many people who come to visit us to look at our equipment is how do they produce more value-added products? So we have a set of fantastic tools, not only from the printers, but the ink solutions that we have to help businesses create those value-added products. We look forward to welcoming people to the print show this year, to our booth, so they can experience more about SwissQprint technology, how they can achieve more sustainable printing using our technology, as well as all the great applications and creative products that they can produce with us.